Alright guys, I am stoked about this thing. As you probably guessed, this is indeed a splitter, and this is one for my 350Z. This one I've wanted for a long time. It's in the shape of the in-one style nismo front lip that I have for this. And this is actually a piece from Ventus AutoWorks, and you can see that they did a really great job packaging this thing up. I believe they're in Canada, so this thing made it really well through that. They use these big wooden splints and hold it together and wrap everything. And then this has a protective plastic film over the top. And this is actually an aluminum splitter that comes with all the stainless hardware as well too, and some mounting instructions that they actually include here. To opt for some of this rubber trim like I've done here. Alright, here is that in-one lip that I was talking about. Now if you recall, I used to have one of these on my car, but we tragically lost him at a track session this year earlier at Crescent, so moment of peace for that guy. But we got this replacement one that actually feels sturdier as well too, and I had a local guy that I found paint this on the side as well as the bumper that I'm going to show you, and hopefully this comes through, but he did a fantastic job and this thing just looks absolutely gorgeous. So this is going to sit on top there. Alright, and here is the meat of our hamburger special. And this thing just looks amazing as well too. Just super glossy finish and matches really well to my existing paint. I do have the emblem for this. He left it off because he said he wasn't sure if I wanted to put it on or not. So that'll be easy enough to throw on. But yeah, this thing turned out gorgeous and at a really good price too, since he did it independently. Man, this gets me so excited I should probably call a doctor, because something's gonna last more than 4 hours if you catch my drift. Alright, so here's our mounting solution here for the splitters. Now these are from Fully Torqued Racing. These are their universal aluminum support rods with the premium stainless hardware. Now these are going to be a super strong reinforcement that we're going to use to actually stabilize the front splitter. We'll run these up to some of the aluminum on the bumper mounting probably. Check these out though, these are incredibly high quality. They have some really nice heim joints here on the end, and the weight and feel of these is just amazing. They feel perfectly machined. And then check out the premium hardware that it comes with too. So these are some flat-headed Allen bolts that with a washer that actually recesses the head of the bolt into them. So that's an incredibly nice solution. Alright guys, we're back with the 350Z here, and today we're going to finally install a new bumper on this, freshly painted, along with the splitter and lip that I've always wanted for this car. So as you see here, we have our freshly painted and clear broad bumper, lip, and Ventus AutoWorks nismo splitter here. So I had these repainted by a friend on the cheap, and they turned out phenomenal. As well as our friend Rudy, that if you guys watched our Ducati Scrambler Desert Sled clear bra video, you'll recall him, but he did a phenomenal job doing the clear bra on these items, because you know, these things just get absolutely pelted with rocks, and especially when we're on track 2, and the kind of flat nature of this bumper really just lends itself to a lot of rock chips, so wanted to make sure and protect that. Now, these don't come with instructions on how to fit this splitter, but I actually have an email from a couple years back when I looked at getting this splitter from someone at Ventus AutoWorks, and he showed me how to do it, kind of. So we're going to go off of that. But first of all, let's go ahead and just get this bumper installed.
And you'll notice today I'm not working in my own garage, I'm working in a friend's garage. And look what they've got. Does this look familiar to any of you guys?
My hope is to bring my Z600 over and park it next to this and kind of talk about both cars, but man, this thing is so cool. There she be. She's old and crusty. The fitment of this thing is so tight on there that it's a snap fit. I had to heat the edges to go around the outside of the bumper, and once I did it, hold the inner part in under the grill. It's pretty amazing how precise that eBay front lip is, so it's pretty cool to see.
what I've done is I have come from the holes below and punched holes into the bottom of this core support and then marked it with a marker so we can bring the splitter out and then drill our holes that will support the back of the splitter where these holes are. Makes sense? Write that down.